In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio tags in ElevenLabs. We'll start on the ElevenLabs homepage. On the left, you'll see the main navigation pinned in a sidebar. Choose text-to-speech to open the synthesis workspace. Before we add tags, open settings to tailor the performance. Pick the voice you want. This is the character that will speak your lines. Next, choose a model that fits your goal. Faster models are great for quick drafts, while higher quality models are ideal for final reads. Adjust the stability control to shape consistency. Higher stability gives you a more even, predictable delivery. Lower stability can add variety and nuance. If your script is in a different language than the default for the voice, set language override so pronunciation and prosody align correctly. Then select your output format. Compressed options like MP3 are perfect for previews and sharing. Lossless formats like WAV are better for editing and mastering. Now click into the text field where you'll type your script. This is where audio tags come in. Tags go in square brackets directly in the text and guide delivery, such as happy, sad, angry, or excited. You can also cue simple actions like size. Place the tag immediately before the words you want to influence. Keep tags concise and let punctuation help with pacing. Type an example to see it in action. Excited. I can't believe we actually did it. Size. It's been a long day. The first tag dials up excitement for the opening line, and the second adds a gentle breath and a more subdued tone afterward. When you're ready, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process your text and apply the tags to shape the performance. If the emotion feels too strong or not strong enough, nudge the stability slider, adjust your wording, or simplify the number of tags in a single sentence. If pronunciation seems off in a multilingual script, revisit language override, and if you're planning to edit the audio later, switch the output to a higher quality format. That's all you need to add audio tags in ElevenLabs and guide the delivery with precision.